On Wednesday evening, many delegates had a chance to see firsthand a concrete example of the kind of technology that could help us use less and live better. Solar Impulse is the largest solar-powered plane in the world, and it was designed and developed in Europe.
While this is a miracle of engineering, it is also a huge leap of imagination. It is a kind of imagination and innovation we are going to need for the challenges we face.
The visit ensured delegates were fired up for another full day of debates and discussions on Thursday. Here, they heard how innovative approaches to taxation could help us make the move to a more resource-efficient society.
The introduction of a CO2 tax element would help meeting the EU's high-priority goals of climate change, energy efficiency, and fair competition. It will also be an opportunity to reflect on environmental taxation as a potential candidate in the attempt to shift tax away from labour.
This session looked at the need to start considering waste as a valuable resource rather than a problem to be disposed of.
We really have to change the mindset. The mindset at the moment is in reducing and to be more efficient and to be less bad. What we want to be is positive, want to be more good for the world.
Participants here heard that for any intelligent, forward-looking business, protecting the environment must be part of the bottom line.
Companies need to realise that they are totally dependent on ecosystem services to stay in business. Companies use ecosystem services like fresh water, food, fibre. These are organic chemicals. These are critical industrial inputs. If they don't understand where they come from and whether they're being sustainably managed and therefore will have an ongoing supply, you'll run out of a critical raw material.
And this session got to grips with the rebound effect, one of the emerging paradoxes of our efforts to increase our efficient use of resources.
The rebound effect is where you make something more efficient, you reduce its price, and because it becomes cheaper, we tend to use more of it. So the efficiency and gains you were going to get from that, you don't get as much as you were hoping to get.
And as ever, Greenweek's exhibitors were ready to hand out advice and explain some of their innovative ideas and inventions, sometimes to some very illustrious visitors.